morning. Welcome to a new vlog. A call actually woke me up. It's not even morning. I think this is almost 11, almost 12 that I'm just waking up, and a call woke me up because I'm expecting a delivery. And then yeah, today I plan to film a video. With YouTube, I've just been winging it these days because I'm not trying to be hard on myself. If you guys notice, since this year I've been doing 2 videos a week. Before, I used to do 3 videos, and normally in the month of February, my birthday month, I usually do daily videos. But I realized that YouTube is playing with me, so it's not about working hard now, it's about working smart. So I've changed a lot of my strategies behind the scene. That's my air freshener. I've changed my strategy behind the scenes, so to see how it will work out. And actually, it's actually working out for me in a way so far. So I don't want to be stressing myself as before. You guys, I even want to sleep more. I actually slept really late last night. I slept like this morning. I slept by like 5 because I was working into the night. Subscribe to me if you're not subscribed, and watch this video to the end. Very, very important. Don't play with me. Try to watch my videos to the end, share my content, and whatever part you like, feel free to tag me on your Insta story, tutorial, whatsoever. Period. I just finished filming and I just tidied everywhere. See, whoever told you that doing hauls is a good idea, trust me, my love, it's not. Okay, just don't. because it's a lot. And to think that I only picked a few items to show you guys, imagine if I wanted to do like everything that I bought from Shein, I would just cry. I'm done. For some reason that was not clear. I think a lot of dust had gotten into the lens. Anyways, I'm done filming now. I filmed 3 videos today. I'm so proud of myself. I still have my makeup on. Imagine this fine makeup. What am I going to do? I don't know. Should I go live on YouTube? But then I just put out a video yesterday, my cleaning video that all of you love. Thank you so much for the love on that video, by the way. All of you, like, your comments are mind blowing. I don't know if I should go live on YouTube. The thing is about YouTube is that you don't know when your viewers are active, and it's 6 p.m. now. I don't know if some of you are going to be active on there, so I don't know if I should go live or not. Maybe I look so good, I feel like, or maybe I should try Instagram. But what will I be doing on Instagram? Because I'm not playing any music right now, and I feel like I want to interact. I just don't want to be live just like that. I actually want to interact. I'll figure it out.
Sympathy, dreaming and reality.
I'm back home. It has been a productive morning. Yeah, it's just like, I think, almost 1 p.m. But earlier when you guys saw me, I know I didn't speak to you guys. Went to the immigration, done there, then went to Chinatown. So the thing with Chinatown is that it has been in my head or in my plans to go there for a very long time, and I think twice that I have been around that area, I end up not going. So today I was like, I must go to this Chinatown and see. So basically what they do there is they sell gold, original gold as well, and you know, when it comes to jewelry. And the Chinatown in Manila is actually the oldest Chinatown in the whole world. So I'm like, I have to go there. So yeah, I went, I saw for myself. The place is rad, to be honest. First thing, when I came down from the Grab, it was kids running around me. I just had to secure my phone, secure my bag, because I'm not about to start crying premium tears, okay, if somebody snatches my item. and you know, that was it. I think I tried to bargain for an item and it was expensive. So I left. That's it for this vlog, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you if you're still watching to this point, because it really means a lot to me, okay? Thank you very much for watching to this point. I don't want to talk too much in this vlog. I just wanted to update you guys. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video, you know, and all that good stuff. You guys, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I put up a poll the other day and you guys were telling me you want shorter vlogs, which I think I have tried. I have been, you know, leaving my vlogs within 12 minutes, 13 minutes max. That's because I don't want, you know, you guys to be watching 20 something minutes vlog just about my life, literally. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.